Mastering English Idioms. Unlocking. Run a tight ship. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase that you might have heard in movies, at work, or in various English conversations. That phrase is, run a tight ship. Stick around as we unravel the meaning behind this idiom, its origin, and how you can use it effectively in your daily English conversations. Let's get started. To run a tight ship means to manage an organization, team, or group in a strict and efficient manner. When someone runs a tight ship, they ensure that everything is organized, rules are followed, and there is little to no waste of time, resources, or effort. This expression is often used in both professional settings, like businesses and offices, and personal contexts, such as managing a household. The idiom, run a tight ship, has its roots in nautical terminology. In this context, a tight ship referred to a vessel that was well maintained, with all its parts securely fastened and its crew well disciplined. This ensured that the ship could withstand rough seas and challenging conditions. Over time, this literal meaning has evolved into the metaphorical use we are familiar with today, symbolizing efficient and disciplined management in any context. Incorporating idioms like run a tight ship into your conversations can make your English sound more natural and fluent. Here are a few examples to help you understand how to use this phrase. In a professional setting, our new manager really runs a tight ship. Since she took over, productivity has soared. Regarding personal discipline, he runs a tight ship at home, ensuring everything is tidy and everyone contributes to the household. In admiration of someone's organization skills, you really run a tight ship with your event planning business. Everything always goes off without a hitch. Now that you know what run a tight ship means, try to use it in your next English conversation. Whether you're discussing a well-managed business, complimenting someone's organizational skills, or even talking about your own efforts to maintain discipline and efficiency, this idiom can add color and precision to your language. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the meaning, origin, and usage of the phrase, run a tight ship. We hope this video has enriched your understanding of English idioms and you feel more confident using them in your conversations. Remember, learning a language is a journey filled with discovery and practice. Keep sailing smoothly on your journey to mastering English, and don't forget to run a tight ship in your own language learning process. See you in the next video.